Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech command prompt video. In this video we're going to look at the DOS tree command, and the tree command will give you a semi-graphical, it says graphical in the help, but it's a semi-graphical display of your file and folder structure. And there's not a lot of options there. The /F will show you the file names, and if you do the /A, it gives you ASCII instead of extended characters on it. Generally, if anything, you do the /F. If I want to get a tree starting at the current directory, I can just do tree, and now I see that here on my G in the current directory, I've got directories 4, 5, 1, and under 1, 1, 2, 7, 6, and a 1, 2 under 6, and then a 2. So those are the folders I have. If I do the tree with a /F, I will also get the files that are under each of these folders. So if you want to get this structure and see your files and folders, you can. If I use the /A, what you see are the pluses and dashes instead of the graphical characters. I personally don't care for that. I think that was basically from the old days when you had printers that did not have those extra characters, such as maybe the old daisy wheel printers, and you could get a good output of the tree structure. If you want to look at a different folder or drive, you can put that drive letter and folder there. I will stop this as it's running because it'll take forever, but if I were to look at my C drive, there is the folder structure of different folders and directories on my C drive, and there are thousands there, so that would give me a very long listing. I normally probably would not look at something that long. Now, like a lot of other DOS commands, if I want to send that output to a file instead, if I pipe it with a greater than and the name of a file, say test6, nothing appears on the screen, but what it did was it created a file called test6, and if I display that file, I can see it's stored, and I could then bring that into, say, a Word document or some other program to do my documentation on my file structures. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.